Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Here I show you how to trade binary options and how to be in profit. And all we need is to follow simple strategies, guys. So I showed them to show you how they work and how they multiply your balance within several minutes. And today's strategy is based exactly on technical analysis. We're not going to need any indicators. Just a little knowledge of the technical analysis. Everything is simple and you're gonna learn it really fast. There we have $148 in my balance. We trade for all the money on a 1 minute time frame. All the currency pairs have been picked, and let's begin our trading session. Find the first currency pair for the most promising entry. So let's open the short position here. Let me clarify. There was a strong downward dynamics here. The piece fell down. The price reversal took place after hitting this level. The price failed to break this important resistance zone and the trend was changed. The price started going down, and here we observe a good pullback. The accumulation zone seems to be forming here. So the price is moving inside this short price range, and I'm sure that this reversal is going to happen here, and the price is likely to go lower and continue its downward momentum. That's why we opened our short position. Let's have a look, guys. The breakdown is happening. There are around 3 seconds left before the closing. Have a look at this beautiful red candle, and there we go. The first position has been closed in profits. Let's update the trade amount. They're now stopping here. We're gonna find the next currency pair. Remind you guys that we're interested in the highest buy trade. I think it makes sense to open a long position here. This is one good, great buy trade. 91% is perfect for us. Observe a clear uptrend here, and they point out this trend line, so I suppose that obvious. The rebound is happening here, and then we see this correction. There it is. This is absolutely healthy. And then the upward dynamics show it up again. After there was a small correction right here, and I think we should expect to see the rebound. Continue of the upward dynamics. I can point out this upward zone, and then the price should continue to go up following the trend direction. And yep, look at this huge pullback, guys, exactly as we predicted. Nice entry level, by the way. This is one good 91%, almost the highest price rate. And there we go, great trade, guys. We got $500 on the balance. Let's update the trade amount and continue the trading session. What do we got here, guys? Let's continue analyzing, guys. Looks very interesting. And let's open the short position here. I'm gonna explain the principle. So there was a hook upward dynamics, strong uptrend. After we pay attention to this important level, we see a double rejection from the resistance zone. The double top pattern has been formed here. This is the reversal pattern. And then the trend has changed. The downward trend started gaining momentum. We can see that here. I want to point out this strong pullback here, then this correction, and then another pullback. And now is the time for the correction, and the downtrend should continue gaining momentum. That's why we opened the short position. By the way, here's another signal. This resistance zone, after hitting this zone, the price should rebound. It's absolutely granted. Let's have a look, and yep, the rebound has already happened, exactly as predicted. Brilliant analysis, guys, and we got 900 on the balance. We're gonna update the trade amount and continue the trading session. Well, here's the updating of the local high. So let's have a look. Let's open the short here. The correction should follow up. We count on that. There's a confident uptrend of the chart, and this is upward dynamics, looks healthy. After we see the touch of the resistance zone, the red candles show it up, and we expect to see a correction because the growth potential should be over by now, and the correction is going to happen because there was a strong pump here, a lot of green candles, so the correction is imminent, even according to logic. After the uptrend should be continued, and let's see. Yep, we see this beautiful breakdown, another red candle showed up, and there is really 5 seconds before the closing. This one should end up in profits. The candle has expired and our position has been closed in profits. Good job, guys, and we got $1,600 in the balance. We're not gonna stop here. Let's put down the maximum amount and continue trading session. Well, what do we got here? Let's continue analyzing. We're gonna find the most promising trade entry, and let's open a short position here. Let me explain the principle. We open another short here. Well, there was a clear uptrend before. I'll point out the trend lines. The price moved within the risk range. You see higher highs and higher lows. Then take a look at this resistance zone. The price has rebounded from this level after trend has changed. And here we see a small pullback, which should be over by now, also because we got this resistance zone here. So the price will be rejection and continue moving down. So we already see the inception of the red candle. The breakout should happen at the end. And yep, our position has been closed in profits. Exactly as we predicted. We're going to uptrade the trade amount and continue the trading session. We're gonna open 2 short positions here. Let me explain the principle of the trade entry. We see the downtrend on this chart. I will point out the trend lines. So after the touch of the resistance zone, the trend has been changed. After the downward dynamics, we see this pullback. The price hit the resistance zone. After the breakdown is going to happen. And also we see this wicks here, which is bearish signal. And look at this breakdown, guys. Exactly as we predicted, there are several seconds left. And yep, we're the profits again, and there are $3,700 in the balance. Let's continue the trading session, and there's time to stop. Let's continue analyzing. So what do we got here? Let's take our time. Let's open 3 long positions here. I'm gonna point out the workspace. We see a clear uptrend here. The rejection from this trend line did happen. The price is gonna move up. The upward dynamics should continue gaining momentum, and we open in the long, following the trend direction. And after this severe correction here and this accumulation zone here, a good breakout will definitely happen. We count on that, and there is, look, it is huge breakout, perfectly calculated, around 10 seconds before the closing, and the candle has expired, and another green candle just showed up, and we're good. And guys, we got $6,000 in the balance. Let's open our final positions. Find a good currency pair for the most profitable position entry. Well, there we go. This is a good one. We opened our short position. Everything is pretty simple, guys. Let me explain. There was a hook upward dynamics here, then the pattern double top played out. This is the reversal one, so the reversal did happen and the downtrend started gaining momentum. We see the correction here, and here is the inception of the red candle, and we expect to see the continue of the downtrend, and that's why we open it or short position. Let's see, the breakdown is gaining momentum, guys. Our analysis never falls, and around 15 seconds left before the closing, our position should end up in profits, and there are no doubt about it. There we go, our position have been closed in profits. We got almost $12,000 on the balance. Perfect outcome. I think that's enough for today, and it's high time to withdraw the money to Bitcoin wallet. It'll be 11,000. Let's just be. I'm gonna check the code. press the continue button. And there you go, transaction has been processed. I'll point out the screen where it's done as usual. And guys, thank you for watching. I hope you like this video. Please don't forget about my Telegram channel. A link you can find in the description. Like this video and subscribe. Thank you and bye bye.